Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the new phase of this topic that's regarding the input output devices. So before starting with the input and the output devices, we will be starting with the embedded systems. Now, what are the embedded systems? So these systems are actually the combination of a hardware and a software. That means both of the things are integrated together, hardware and a software. In this format, you may say they are, or in this system, there are things that are working on a predefined set of the instructions. Now, when it comes to the example of the embedded system, so you may say security systems are the form of the embedded system, lightning system are the form of the embedded systems, automatic machines are the form of the embedded systems. So these are the formats, so these are the examples of an embedded system. Now, obviously, there are pros and cons to each and everything. So similarly, there are pros and cons to an embedded system as well. Now, what are the pros? Number one, they are saying due to their small size, it could be fit easily into any of the system. But when it comes to the debugging of that, so due to their specialization, only a specialized person will be allowed or will be able to debug any sort of the error within that. Coming to the next part, one more drawback will be that they might get quite easily, they might get old with the technology because they are not updating or they are not updating themselves. So if they are not updating themselves, obviously they will be old to the latest technology. Coming to the pro, so you might say that the other pro is something that they are consuming less low power or less power, and they are quite fast with changing their instructions to the environment. One more drawback, you may say that yeah, they are utilizing internet, and once they are utilizing the internet, so obviously they are quite easily available to the hackers. Now we will be moving on towards the input devices. Now, what are the input devices? Obviously, the sort of the devices that are utilized to provide any sort of the data or any sort of the information, or you may say that any sort of the instruction to your system, that is known as an input device. Now, the first input device that we will be doing over here is a barcode. Now, barcode, what is a barcode? Barcode, you may say that it is a combination of the black and the white lines. You might see, for example, these are the black, and with single these are the white lines. So black, black, white, black, white, black, 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 black. So in this format there is a barcode. Now they are saying over here that how the barcode is read, or you might see that the barcode is there on each and every product. So once you're going to scan a barcode, so what is actually happening, or what is, or how the data is in that particular barcode is being read. So as soon as you might have seen the first of all the barcode scanner, that there is a red color laser light. So that laser light actually strikes over that particular barcode, and once it is striking over that particular barcode, it reflects back. Okay, now it reflects back only from the white areas, it does not reflect back from a black area. Or if though it is reflecting from the black area, so a very minor amount that you may consider it that it is not reflecting back from the black area. There is a photoelectric cell in the barcode scanner that just reads that particular light that is reflected back from the barcode, and it converts that with the help of the ADC, that's an analog to digital converter. It's convert that into the digital format and sends to the um, um, you may say towards the microprocessor. Once it is sent to the microprocessor, so now the microprocessor understands so that what is written into that particular barcode. Now when it comes, what happens after the barcode is scanned? So this was how the barcode is scanned. Now what happens? So over here we do have a scenario of a automatic also automatic stock control, or you might say that at the POS, it's a point of the sales terminal. You are in some sort of a shopping area or some sort of a supermarket, and you have purchased few of the products over there. So what will be the benefit, or how that barcode that is placed on the product, how that is beneficial? First of all, how that is read, and then how it is beneficial. So as soon as the barcode is scanned, so do remember that each and every barcode is unique. So once you are going to scan that particular barcode, it will be going towards the just a second please guys, because I think so there is an issue with the screening. Just give me a second please. Okay, we are back over here. The screen has been shared. Okay, so yeah, we were discussing that each and every barcode is unique. So as soon as the barcode is scanned, it goes into the database. Now once it is going into the database, now the barcode will be looked into that particular database whether that barcode is available or not. Okay, as soon as the barcode is found, there is an subtraction of 1 or a decrement of 1, because once that barcode has been scanned, that means there is a reduction of 1 in the total quantity. For an example, you might say that the total quantity of the stuff right now was 100. Now once it has been scanned, so now this will be remaining to 99. So each time the barcode is scanned, there is a decrement of 1 each time, so that there should be no chaos, or you may say the stock should not be out of, or the product should not be out of stock. So you may say once found, all details of the products are sent to the POS. Every time a barcode is scanned, it makes a reduction of 1 from the total quantity of the product. Now as soon as the quantity reaches the reorder level, for example the reorder level was 40, so now each time it's been scanned once, it's been scanned once, it's been scanned once, now it reaches the level of 40. So it makes an automatic reorder. Now what do you mean by the automatic reorder? That it requests the supplier to refill that particular. Now for example, it makes a reorder of 50. So until it reaches, that means the reorder reaches the departmental store. For example, only 20 products of the similar stuff are left. Now that means 20 plus 50, it will make a 70. Okay, overall there it will be 70 products now. Now once more, now when the barcode will be scanned, so it will be scanning it from the 70. Do remember that, not from the 20. Meanwhile, once it has made a first reorder, there is a flag placed over there so that it should not reorder again until unless the reorder has arrived or the earlier reorder have arrived. Until then, no reorder will be placed again. So this is how, or you may say this happens when the barcode is scanned. Now there are few of the advantages to the management, as well as there are few of the advantages to the customer. Now to the management, what are the advantages? It's quite easier to change the price on the stock items. They allow the automatic stock control, as well as they may allow you to check the customer buying habit, because you might see that which product is sold more, so that you might know that what is the purchasing habit of a customer. Now to the customer, what will be the advantages? So we do have faster checkout queues, no errors in charging the customers, and we can get the itemized bill, as well as we may check with the dates as well, like how much time the day things could be fresher, so we could get these stuff as well. So this was with the advantage of the barcode. Now coming towards the QR code. So QR code is something, you might have seen a QR code. It's a black color box or a black color mattress with black spots inside it and white areas inside that. So that is known as the QR code. QR code is quite efficient because you can just scan that QR code with your normal mobile phone cameras as well as, but when it comes to the barcode, so for the barcode you do need a specialized barcode scanner. So uses of the barcode, uses of the QR code. Now what are the uses of the QR code? Automatic access to the website or the contact telephone number, as I just discussed. Advertising products. Now you might have seen in many of the restaurants there is no menu over there. They are just placing the QR code on the table. You can just scan that QR code and the menu will be displayed to you. So that's a sort of the advertising. Storing boarding passes electronically. Okay, you can just store the boarding passes nowadays electronically. You just need to the person needs to just scan that particular QR code, and yeah, your boarding pass is available. No need to carry a hassle with the papers a lot. Okay, now coming towards the advantage of the QR code, can hold more information. Okay, yeah, one more thing. Do remember that a barcode can have maximum of the 30 digits, but when it comes, that means a limited amount of the data can be stored in the barcode. But when it comes to the QR code, so it can have more than 7,000 digits. That means the more digits, the more data could be stored in your QR code. They are easier to read because no specialized hardware is required, and easier to transmit as well. But there are few of the disadvantages as well. What are those disadvantages? Number one, multiple formats are available for the QR codes and can be easily utilized to transmit the malicious code or the virus. So this was all for the barcode and the QR code. In the next session, we will be moving towards the digital camera, mouse, and the other stuff. Thank you.